Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Debbie. I'm the creative director of Thydee Fashion. To my subscribers, thank you so much, and I am welcoming new subscribers as well. Thank you so much, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell for more updates if there is any on this channel. Now today's video is going to be the making of a basic sleeve. Wow, I have about 2 methods of drafting a basic sleeve on this channel, and this video is all about embracing a new method. Of course, we all know that there are different ways, different routes to the market, so the most important thing is that you get to your destination. And do you know that the reason I love this method is that it gives a direct ease on the cap, so you don't need to slash and spread to get more ease. I am not saying it's the perfect method, but I'm just saying that you can also try that out to see what it looks like. Okay, so if that sounds like what you're interested in, then let's get started. So this is my paper. I cut 28 inches long and 16 inches wide, so it's 28 by 16 inches, and I'm folding it. So I ensure that the folded part is facing you. So from the edge, the top edge, you are going to come down by 2 inches and draw a line, a straight line like so. So from here, you are going to come down by, making use of this chart on your screen, the cap height, depending on the size that you are trying to make the sleeve for. So just go through the chart and, get your cap height measurements inserted. So now, measuring this, I have my bicep line. So this is my cap height and I have my bicep line. Okay, so from here, I'm going to measure the full length of my sleeve. So you can also refer to the charts for this measurement, or maybe you can take measurement directly on your clients or yourself. Once you are done inserting the full length measurement, you're going to connect the 2 points to have a straight line, and this straight line will be representing my wrist line. On the bicep line, I will insert my bicep measurement divided by 2. For this size, I have 13 inches because I'm making size. For this size I'm making, I think it's size 10. It's 13 inches or 12 and a half. Okay, so, and of course I've inserted it already. You can see the point on the bicep line. So from the bicep line to the wrist, you are going to divide it by 2. You fold the tape measure into 2 and mark the midpoint. And from this midpoint, you are going to come up by 3/4 of an inch. Sorry, 1.5 inches. Okay, you're coming up by 1.5 inches. Okay, so from that new point to the bicep line, you take the measurement and transfer it to the side as shown and mark. And connect these 2 points to have the elbow line. So this is what I have. Now I'm going to insert my wrist measurement divided by 2. It's also on the measurement chart. On the elbow line, I'm going to insert, of course, as shown. Just check the measurement chart. All the measurements are present there. So, and I'm connecting these 3 points together. And from the bicep line, I'm going to be extending this line with broken lines. So just follow this line upward with a broken line. So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to just fold over to meet this particular line or the broken lines. So you fold it this way, and the idea is just to form a crease. Okay, this is my crease line, can you see it? And I'm going to form another crease horizontally. This line, I'm going to just match it to the bicep line so that I can have another crease here. Can you see? So, and of course, this is what I have. So I can now trace this crease with some broken lines. And of course, where this crease intersects is going to be at this point, and from this point I'm going to go up by 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so once it is being marked, from the bicep measurement inward, I'm going to measure 1 inch. And of course, from the same bicep measurements, you are going to measure 1/4 of an inch. Okay, just ensure you mark those points. Very, very important. So I have 1/4 and I have 1 inch. Okay, so right now I'm going to be connecting these 3 points together with a curve line using my curve ruler. So this point here, I'm going to go in by 1/4 of an inch on the cap line. So this point, and this point, this point, this point, this point together with a curve line. Okay, done. Then here I'm going to be connecting to the 1/4 of an inch point using the curvy part of my curve ruler. Can you see? So this is what I have, and I'm going to trace with this to have the same on the other side. Okay, so now I'm tracing. So this is all you need. And the next is to determine where the back is going to be and the front. So anywhere could be back and the front. Okay, so here I'm going to just lower the curve a little to indicate that this is going to be the front. In every sleeve pattern, no matter the method you're using, you have to indicate there has to be a difference between the front and the back. So all I need to do right now is just to place the tape, as you can see, and fold it into two from the bicep to the next crease line, and to get the midpoint. From the midpoint I will go in by 1/4 of an inch, as you can see, and using my curve ruler I'm going to just blend. So the idea is just to try and reduce that part by 1/4 of an inch, and this is how you do it. Can you see? So that part is going to be cut out, completely. Okay, so this new line is going to be, your sleeve line. So the other side is not there anymore. Okay, so this is how you achieve your straight sleeve or your basic sleeve. And measuring this cap alone, you discover that you have more ease and you don't need to slash and spread anything. Okay, so this is why I like this pattern. Okay, and this is all you have, or this is all you need for your sleeve. So all you need to do is just to trace out like this and add your seam allowance, and you are good to go. Thank you so much. God bless you.